Are you ready to supercharge your sales process by connecting the power of ClickFunnels to the efficiency of Follow-Up Boss? This video walks you through the simple steps to seamlessly integrate ClickFunnels with Follow-Up Boss, allowing you to automatically transfer leads and customer data. First, log into your ClickFunnels account and navigate to the funnel you want to connect to Follow-Up Boss. Then click on the Settings tab located at the top of the funnel overview page. Scroll down until you find the Webhook section. This is where we'll set up the connection to send data to Follow-Up Boss. Now, log into your Follow-Up Boss account. You'll need your API key and API URL. Find these in your Follow-Up Boss account settings, usually under Integrations or API. Copy both of these, as we'll need them back in ClickFunnels. Head back to ClickFunnels and click Add Webhook in the URL field. Paste the API URL you copied from Follow-Up Boss for the event field. Select the event that triggers the data transfer, such as contact form submission or purchase leave version to latest. Choose post for the HTTP method and application, JSON for the data type. Then, in the body field, you'll need to input the specific data you want to send to Follow-Up Boss in a JSON format. This typically includes name, email, and phone number fields. Ensure the fields in your ClickFunnels form match the corresponding fields in Follow-Up Boss. For example, email in ClickFunnels should map to email in Follow-Up Boss in your JSON code. Once you've configured the webhook and verified all the information, save your settings in ClickFunnels to test the integration. Submit a test entry through your ClickFunnels form. Check your Follow-Up Boss account to ensure the test lead has been successfully created. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated ClickFunnels with Follow-Up Boss. Now you can enjoy automated lead capture, streamlined follow-up sequences, and better customer relationships.